My name is Ojo Isaac, the manager of Presta Royal Concept in Ikeja, Lagos. In continuation of the receiving bill and pay bills training, I want to complete this training by going to pay bills with a check or with cash or whichever one it is. Pay bills with bank check. All right. So remember, we have posted this very particular one, which is receiving Toyota bill from Danaco Nigeria Limited. Now, after we have received, this is the time to pay now. We have received the bill, we have recorded it in our Sage 50 database. So, time to pay when the money is due for payment. So, what do we do? How do we do that? This one comes under pay bills with check or with transfer or any other forms of method of payment. All right. So, okay. So, we go to the question. So the question is on the 31st of January 2022 or 2021. Pay Danaco Nigeria Limited for Toyota 260KL. So a payment has been made now. So therefore we have to pay. So let's record that in Sage 50. So let's go to Sage 50. How to record pay bills. Okay, so this is Sage 50. You go to task. From task, select bills. Bills. Under bills, you click on pay bills. From on pay bills, you will select the vendor ID. You look for Danaco, which is this. Okay, you can see Danaco displayed and the debt that the organization is owing Danaco displayed. So this is Danaco information. Then look at the previous where you stop for the numbering. That is the check numbers from the reference number. So we are not going to use this reference number. There's a reference number that is provided in our case study, which is this. That is Zenith Bank check. So that is ZB. So, sorry, Zenith Bank check. Don't forget, Zenith Bank check. We copy it and let me paste it here. So, Zenith Bank check. But when you are posting, you type it with your hand. Okay, so which day are we paying? We are paying today. So you select the date you are paying. Then you go to cash account. Under the cash account, you will select the bank ledger that you are paying from. I'm paying from Zenith Bank. So I select Zenith Bank. So that will be effected there. Then the next thing is to look at the amount, 2 million. So if I'm paying for all of them, then I come to the amount paid, boss. But the description is have to come here first. This one is payment for what? Toyota. Payment for Toyota. Toyota 260. Okay, so you press the tab key, go to pay. You can see that all was paid. That is the total of 2 million was paid. So if you post this and you go to your record, you are going to see that it's going to be 0 amount under this account. You go to save and click on save. If you are printing it, this can be printed because it is a payment that you made and you want to have a record in it in your drawer. So you click on you click on save. It will be saved. Since it will be saved, the record has been done for you. So let's see whether the record has been properly saved. So let's click on Danaco again. You can see that no amount displayed. So that will be posted against that particular debt. Thank you. This is how to post base in Sage 50. Kindly support by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.